This is the elevator at Old Engineering Hall, University of Pittsburgh with AdazElevatorz. Loud. This has a 7,000 pound capacity with 7 opening doors, which is weird.
Whoa, there's only a Westinghouse. Wow, look at this.
Send it up to 6.
6 might be low.
It wasn't locked when I filmed it.
It's not.
Passenger / rate. This elevator is very unique.
Ooh.
That's the floor plan. There's probably originally a Westinghouse logo. They fixed the chime, which is weird. It used to sound all fuzzy.
You're right, 6.
6.
Whoa. These doors just slam.
Oh, ended at 1.
Have you? I think I started on B.
Yeah, we started on B, but we'll end at 1.
Okay.
Door track, or not door track, tray lighting.
7,000 pound capacity.
Yeah, it's a pretty big elevator, especially for center opening doors. There's your escape hatch. Otis Series 2, Elevonic 411M. You're at 1. Yeah, ADA. Oops, sorry.
He's going to the restroom.
Oh, I didn't know. And close enough, it's going to be
There
over.
goes. And